So guys, this is how we prepare our cabin before every international flight by filling the area with fumigants. After completing the flight, we reached the destination. Can you guess where? Yes, you are right. We are in Abu Dhabi. And oops, I dropped my company ID as my lanyard hook was very loose and my crew were so sweet. They were tying a thread around my lanyard. They were doing Desi Jugaad. Ta-da! Finally, I reached my hotel room and it's time for me to remove my uniform and get myself into my comfort zone. So I had to sleep early today because next day I wanted to go to meet my brother who lives in the same place. And it was a very short stay, so I had to sleep as soon as possible. You know what time is it now? It is 2 a.m. midnight. And thankfully, as soon as I came inside the room, I ordered food because the food was going to take 30 minutes to get delivered inside my room. Till the time I get shower and do my night routine, the food will come. So it was a perfect time. You know guys, I feel like I'm gaining weight day by day. Is there anyone in your family, any dietitian, any nutritionist or anyone who is good at diet who would suggest me what to eat at this time? Because after flight we feel so tired, exhausted and sleepy at the same time. So as soon as we come to the hotel, especially in the midnight, we order food, we eat and we straight away hit the bed and sleep. We don't do brisk walk. So I need a healthy suggestion, light food, filling food. Can you please guys suggest? I have been ordering khichdi at this time and I have ordered the same. So apart from khichdi, you can suggest me any filling diet. Please guys, help me. You know what's the best part of this hotel? Novotel Hotel in Abu Dhabi? They don't have plastic bottle to drink water. They only give us glass bottle, which I really like. But in my previous layover, we got Intercontinental Hotel, which was, I think, better than this hotel. It had a private beach and we really enjoyed in that hotel. And I was expecting the same hotel, but as soon as we land in Abu Dhabi, my colleague told me that it is not the Intercontinental, it is Novotel. And when I checked my mail, it was the same. So I'm here. Again, I had to update my brother that it was not the Intercontinental, it is Novotel. So we checked how far is it from the area to his place, and we learned that it is farer. It was nearer from Intercontinental, but it was far from Novotel. So we decided I will come halfway. You don't need to come to pick me. And we planned accordingly. But guys, again, every hotel has a pros and cons. And you know what is the best part of this hotel again? You don't need to go out for taxi. One taxi will always be there outside the hotel. You just have to go inside the taxi. You have to give the address and it will take you. I was so happy when I learned this from the reception. Because last time in the Intercontinental Hotel, we had to go out, wait for a while for the taxi and it was very hot. So it will not be the same way here in this hotel. Finally, I have done putting my stuff in the laundry bag. It was just the uniform scarf, just for clothes. I had to write it down and submit outside. And guys, it's a morning time. I woke up early. I did not want to miss my breakfast, and after having breakfast, I had to go to meet my brother halfway. And here I am inside the taxi. The weather was really pleasant, and last time when I came, it was very hot. The temperature was too much, but this time the weather is very pleasant. And finally he is here. After a couple of months, I'm meeting him again. It was so glad to see, and we decided we'll go to Abu Dhabi Mall first of all. Abu Dhabi Mall is one of the biggest mall we have learned, and we wanted to check some electronic item and we wanted to compare it with the price of India. If it would be cheaper, we plan to come personally next time and take it from here. So we were going to check that. As I've been hearing from so many people that we get cheap electronic items from UAE as compared to India. And here we are. I hope we get a good price comparison and we come back with the family next time in personal travel. Hope so, finger crossed. As soon as we got inside, we couldn't find a shop, we had to search. And what happened, I do not want to show you guys. The price of the electronic item was almost same, so I did not click up video. I just came, we were so hungry, we were craving, so we went somewhere else. Yes, we came across Rita's restaurant, which is a famous biryani, Hyderabad based restaurant. What else you want? I was craving for Indian food. After filling our tummy, we wanted to check some discounts in Mark & Spencer and we went. We were waiting for the evening to go to Corniche. And it was the evening time and here we are in the Corniche. It is a good place to visit here when we come to Abu Dhabi. It is a tourist spot. Whenever I come to Abu Dhabi, I don't miss this place. People usually come here in the evening time to feel the cool breeze from the beach. Though it was a short layover, I had a good time with my brother. I wanted to stay more in this place, but due to time limitation, I had to go back to my hotel. And here I am back to India. Thank you for checking out my video. I am in a very initial stage of YouTube. Please like and subscribe if you like my video. Thank you. Bye.